simply use water and Floetrol. I get distilled water, so it's extra pure. A gallon goes quite a long ways. And I buy Floetrol. I just get this off of Amazon. I think it's like $6 or $7 for this, and this also goes a long way. If you want to see my paint recipe and the ratios I use, click up in this corner right here and you will see a video in which I show you. I've experimented with lots of pouring mediums and add-ins, but I find that I get great results with the Floetrol and water, and sometimes I just use paint and water because I like to keep things simple, basic, cheap, and doable. Liquitex makes a gloss medium and varnish. You can use this mixed in with your paint and on top of your painting. I don't like it for a varnish on top. I find that it's a little bit too thick and it sets up before I'm finished spreading it out, and usually I get lines on my painting. So I prefer to use their gloss varnish or their high gloss varnish for on top. It works great. If you want to see a video all about varnish, that will be linked in the description. So this can be a great pouring medium as well, but it does get a little bit more expensive than just buying the Floetrol or even just using paint and water, and those work great. Hi, I'm Anna, and this has been Acrylic Pouring Academy. Quick answers to all of your fluid art questions. If this video was helpful for you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more mini lessons on everything fluid art. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.